In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Jira password. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Changing your password in Jira is a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through each step. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser. Once you have that open, navigate to the Jira website and log in if you haven't already. After you are logged in, head over to the Your Work tab, which you can usually find in the main navigation menu. Once you're in the Your Work tab, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you should see your profile icon, which is either your initials or a profile picture if you've set one up. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will bring up a drop-down menu. In that menu, you'll see several options. Look for the one that says Manage Account and click on it. This action will take you to your account management page, where you'll find various settings related to your Jira profile. Now, to change your password, you'll need to navigate to the Security tab. You should see a series of tabs on the account management page. Find and click on Security. This is the section where you can manage your password and other security-related settings. Next, to ensure that it really is you making the change, Jira will ask you to verify your current password. This is a standard security measure. Just enter your current password in the provided field and hit Enter. After you confirm your identity, it's time to enter your new password. When entering your new password, remember to choose something that's secure, but also something you can remember. A good secure password typically combines letters, numbers, and special characters. After typing in your new password, you'll need to retype it in the confirmation field. This is to ensure that both entries match perfectly, preventing any hiccups when you try to log in later on. Once both password entries are identical, it's time to save the changes. Look for the Save Changes button. It's usually located at the bottom or somewhere noticeable on the page. Click on that button to finalize the update. And just like that, your password has now been changed. Remember, for your security, it's a good idea to update your passwords periodically and to never share your password with anyone. Make sure to take a moment to log out of Jira and try logging back in with your new password to confirm everything is working smoothly. So there you have it. Now you know how to easily change your Jira password. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Your security matters, and staying updated with your passwords can help keep your account safe. Thanks for watching.